guys, welcome to my channel. Hi beginners. This video is about how to keep white clothes white. The things we need are lime, baking soda, hydrogen peroxide. You can get hydrogen peroxide in medical shops, detergent and vinegar. First we have to boil the lime in the water. So now I have dropped the limes in the water. Let's keep boil. Let it boil for some time. While it's boiling, let's make a mixture to drop it in the water. To make the mixture, we'll take few spoons of baking soda. Then we'll add hydrogen peroxide in it. Now mix it well. Now let's pour the mixture into the bucket. I'm having some hot water into the bucket. Next, let's add some vinegar in it. And now I'm going to pour it into the bucket. Add half a cup of detergent into it. Now our lime water is ready. So now we'll pour this into the bucket. Now I will soak the white clothes to it. Oops, it's hot. Let this soak for a night. Now I have soaked the clothes overnight. Let me put it into the washing machine and wash it. Before that, let me add few teaspoons of baking soda into the drum. Now I have added the baking soda. Let me put the clothes that I have soaked. Desirable amount of detergent is needed for the washing machine. Half a cup is needed for me. It will take around 1.5 hours. After washing, let me show it to you. Now it's done. I'm going to take it out of my washing machine. And for the end touch, I'm going to use Ujala, the whitener of clothes. I'm going to add few drops. And I'll mix it. I'll squeeze out the excess water. It's done. And I'll dry it in the sun. For white clothes, drying in the sun is very essential. After it's done, I'll show it to you. As I said, I have squeezed the water and let it dry in the sun. I'll show you when it's dried. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And you have any other methods, please comment in the comment box. And don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.